A 7.3 magnitude earthquake has struck the Pacific island nation of Vanuatu, killing at least 9 people and injuring hundreds, with numerous buildings in the capital reportedly sustaining major structural damage.
남태평양의 섬나라 바누아투에서 규모 7.3의 지진이 발생해 최소 9명이 사망하고 수백 명이 부상을 입었으며 수도의 수많은 건물들이 크게 파손되는 피해를 입은 것으로 전해졌습니다. Tell us more.
So for our third headline, we go all the way to the South Pacific, to the island nation of Vanuatu, where they were hit by the biggest earthquake in decades. The nation is not accustomed to earthquakes, so they are used to earthquakes in that region, but this is the biggest one to hit them in many, many years.
Right. Well, the island, and especially the capital, sustained many damages, or in this case, sustained injuries. Let's have a look at sustain.
Sustain is a verb that means to prolong or to keep something going, to maintain. In this case, it means to suffer, to undergo. So in that case, it usually is followed by something bad. Sustained damages, sustained injury to oneself.
지금 두 가지 의미를 설명해 주셨는데요. 하나는 뭔가 유지하다. 그 의미가 여기서 쓰이진 않았고 피해를 입다, 무언가를 당하다라는 의미의 sustain이 여기선 쓰였습니다. 그래서
It's strange because one is such a good meaning, right?
To keep going.
Like a mama bird sustains her babies by feeding them worms.
그러네요. 의미가 완전 다르네요.
But in this case, yes, it's usually followed by a negative thing that you have suffered or are undergoing.
그렇죠. 그래서 특히 부상을 입었다, 피해를 당했다라는 표현으로 sustain injuries, sustain damages 이렇게 많이 씁니다. 여기서도 the capital region sustained structural damage라고 했는데요. What's that?
Structural damage is damage that happens to the structure of something, usually a building. And so it's not cosmetic. It's not maybe to the windows or just to the wallpaper or something that is kind of external to the building, but structural to the basic foundation of that building.
So if it was just on the outside, you would say that it was a cosmetic damage.
Right, sort of external damages. But in this case, it goes deep. So houses, if you look at the pictures, the tragic pictures, I mean, they're, kind of overturned and roofs have caved in.
Right, there's a lot of debris and rubble in the capital right now because of the collapsed buildings. 자, structural damage는 구조적인 손상이라는 뜻인데요. 여기서의 의미는 건물이 많이 무너졌다라는 의미가 되겠습니다. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. A 7.3 magnitude earthquake has struck the Pacific island nation of Vanuatu, killing at least 9 people and injuring hundreds, with numerous buildings in the capital reportedly sustaining major structural damage. Let's move on to the next headline.
2 Chinese astronauts have set a new world record for the longest single spacewalk after completing a 9-hour extravehicular activity, breaking a record that stood for over 23 years.
중국 우주비행사 2명이 우주선 바깥에 머무는 선외 활동을 9시간 동안 이어가면서 그간 23년 넘게 유지되어 온 세계 최장 우주 유영 기록을 경신했습니다. Tell us more.
Well, for headline 4, we go to China, where 2 Chinese astronauts are proud to say that now they have the record for the single longest spacewalk for the first time in decades. The previous record was held by the Americans with NASA. And this was accomplished by doing a 9-hour extravehicular activity, which we also refer to commonly as EVA.
So 23 years ago, the American astronauts, James Voss and Susan Helms, they spent 8 hours and 56 minutes. How long were the Chinese astronauts Chai Shuzhe and Song Lingdong doing their spacewalk?
Thank you for doing the Chinese names. You sound much better than I do. But these 2 crew members from the Chinese program spent 9 hours on their spacewalk. So they just edged out the Americans by a few minutes. But when it comes to breaking records, even 1 second is enough.
그러네요. 2001년도에 미국의 우주 비행사들이죠. 제임스 보스와 수산 햄스가 8시간 56분 동안 이렇게 우주 유영을 했습니다. 그게 최장 시간 기록이었는데요. 23년 만에 그 기록을 깬 게 바로 차이 슈저 그리고 송링동인데요. 중국의 우주 비행사고요. 9시간이 조금 넘었다고 합니다.
It's a long time to be outside of your spacecraft, which is what a
그러게요.
spacewalk is, right?
Exactly. 우주 유영 이거를 spacewalk라고 하고요. It's one word, isn't it?
It's
Not
one
space
word.
walk, but spacewalk.
Right. It's spacewalk, just connected as one word. And it means time that you spend outside of your spacecraft. So you come outside in your oxygen suit and you do various tests or experiments that you need to do for the program. And however long you spend outside is, what we're talking about right now.
Yep. And if you break a record, what are you doing?
Break a record means that you have done something better or longer or faster than the person that did it before.
기록을 깨다. 우리도 이제 깬다는 표현을 쓰는데 영어에서도 부러뜨리다, break라는 동사를 써서요. 이게 바로 기록을 경신하다, 기록을 깨다가 되겠습니다.
You can say it another way. You can say set a new record. That would have the same meaning. Break sounds a little bit more, wow.
Yeah, and the person who does that is a record breaker.
Right. And then the person who has that record then is the record holder.
Record holder, yeah, exactly. The record holder broke the record that was previously set by the former record holder.
Previous record holder, right. And
그러네요.
records are meant to be broken, as they say.
맞습니다. 자, 그러면은 다시 한번 제가 읽어볼게요. Two Chinese astronauts have set a new world record for the longest single spacewalk after completing a 9-hour extravehicular activity, breaking a record that stood for over 23 years. Now let's move on to the final headline.
Hollywood star Tom Cruise has been awarded the U.S. Navy's highest civilian honor for outstanding contributions to the military with his screen roles.
할리우드 스타 톰 크루즈가 영화에서 맡은 배역들을 통해 군에 탁월한 기여를 한 공로를 인정받아 미국 해군이 주는 최고 등급의 민간인 공로상을 받았습니다. 와우.
Tom Cruise.
Yeah.
So the thing that stood out to me the most when I was, reading up on this story is that Tom Cruise, first of all, is 62. Shocking.
Wow.
Shocking. He looks great, but, he's been in the public eye. He's been a public figure forever. His smash hit was in 1986 with the original Top Gun.
Yes.
That's what kind of really catapulted him into superstar celebrity, A-list Hollywood status. And that film at the time was so big that it really inspired a lot of young men and women at the time to
join
enlist in the military. That's how
yeah.
popular and influential that
맞아요.
movie was.
네, 그렇죠. 1986년도에 나왔던 톱건 영화를 보고 정말 많은 청년들이, 젊은 사람들이 나도 미군이 되고 싶다. 이런 꿈을 가졌다고 합니다. 그런 공로도 인정받은 거고요.
Right.
네.
And so now fast forward almost 40 years after 1986, fast forward to today, and you mentioned earlier a little bit about his the more recent movie, Top Gun Maverick. And in that movie, he reprised his role as Maverick, and that is now being seen as contributing once again to positive image of the military, of the U.S. military, I should say, and also inspiring more enlistment.
Yeah, definitely. So he's been acknowledged for his outstanding contributions.
Yes.
Contribution은 기여인데 outstanding은 뭘까요?
Outstanding is an adjective that means to stand out. Earlier, we were saying if somebody is dressed modestly, they wouldn't stand out. In this case, something about your behavior or your performance or something that you do, an accomplishment is outstanding. It's better than everybody else's and it stands out.
그렇죠. 아주 빼어나고 뛰어난 것을 outstanding 하다라고 합니다. 그래서 그런 뛰어난 기여도가 인정을 받은 거죠. And Tom Cruise is known for his many screen roles.
Screen roles. I should mention before I even talk about screen roles, we didn't even mention the what he's being honored with.
Oh,
he's getting
right,
the highest civilian honor. So he's obviously not in the military, but he's getting a civilian honor. Just another way to say he's just a regular person, but he's being honored for all these outstanding contributions that he's making to the military and the image of the military.
맞아요. 이게 민간인에게 주는 상이거든요. 민간인을 civilian이라고 하죠.
Right. And so he has many celebrated screen roles, not just Top Gun. He has so many. That's why he's a household name. We have screen roles, which means the characters that he has played on screen. So in this case, on the movie screen.
Exactly. screen, 화면, role, 역할. 그러니까 영화 속 배역을 말하고요. With roles, you almost always use the verb to play a role.
Right.
You could have a role, but normally it's to play a role.
I think so.
Yeah.
To play a role, to play somebody. Right. So he has Born on the 4th of July. We have A Few Good Men.
Yeah.
That I think plays on Korean TV from time to time.
Right.
He has many screen roles. Never mind the Mission Impossible series, which is also well known to audiences here.
맞습니다. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. Hollywood star Tom Cruise has been awarded the U.S. Navy's highest civilian honor for outstanding contributions to the military with his screen roles. Well, that's it for the headlines with Janet.